For this checkpoint, which is called the Challenges of Life, we will actually watch the video that we'll begin it in class. We'll probably only get through a portion of it, but then that's one of the videos that I installed on your computer, which we will find in your PC video folder, and then you will finish it. This checkpoint does have three parts to it. One will be the notes that you take on the video, and you'll notice here that you need to have 15 facts. And this one you'll just type right here on the page. There's no worksheet that goes with it. Then there are two coloring diagrams that you will color, as based upon how I described coloring in class. So you'll color the diagram. You will select over here a color key. This will be a key that you will actually then color in with a color of some kind. And the easy way to do this is just kind of put a mark that protozoan, which is labeled A. You will color then everything that's labeled A red on here. You can see right here is where the protozoans are. So you basically are just coloring this pie chart, this little piece of pie right here. Can't draw really well with a mouse, but you got the idea. And then if you choose the next one, let's say I choose blue, and I'm going to color Porifera blue. So I color it here blue. There's a B because I have a little B after it. There's one that's B, and so on. You do need to make sure you have your name on this diagram. Okay. You'll have to have your own colored pencils. Remember, I can sell them to you for $1. And then what you will do is over here, after you're finished, you will actually photograph and place the completed diagram in this cell. And it's got to be inside the cell that I have here. Don't put it outside because it kind of messes up the page. If you keep it in there, it'll be perfect. That's what I grade, is the photograph. You will not turn in the picture. I don't take paper because of COVID issues. You will only turn in this photograph on this OneNote page. You'll do the same thing when you get to the chordata diagram and all other diagrams that we will be doing in this unit. You will pick a color. So let's say I want to pick for this letter A here blue, and then I find anything that has an A, which is right here, and I would color that all in blue, so on and so forth. Anything else that has an A in this diagram, I would color that too. So when I get down here to where it says pharyngeal pouch, maybe I'm going to pick the color green, and then when I get to it, I will color everything that says C here green, as well as what's labeled down below. So again, when you're finished, the picture gets photographed. You must have your name on it. Make sure you do have your name printed on that paper. Then you photograph it. You will insert. Remember, it's insert picture, okay? And it will be from a file. I'm on a Mac, so it's a little different than a PC. But it's insert picture from file, and don't copy and paste it. That messes it up. I just delete it. Say, do it again. Do it right. Okay? That way, you'll notice that when you're finished with that checkpoint, you can mark off each one of these that you've completed, and then you can submit the whole checkpoint. So this checkpoint would consist of the video notes, the diagram of both the major phyla, and the diagram of the chordata.